Namaste children. How are you all? I think you are all fine. Am I right children? Yes. Today we are going to see the lesson remaining part about why do we people travel nowadays? Why do people travel nowadays? Did you know why we are traveling? Yes, we are traveling for some other purpose. I want to show you one video. What is the purpose of the travel? Shall we see children? People travel for 17 reasons. Let easier than you to think. Travel opens your eyes. You learn who you are. Create meaningful. Develop skills you didn't know you had. Learning new languages. You get adventure. You get perspective. You can transition between jobs, schools and other purpose. Travel is education. Travel is a challenge. Do something new. Make dreams come true. Get cool stories. Eat food like you never have. Prove to yourself that you can. Do it for the hell of it. Yes, children, did you see the video? Have you enjoyed it? Very good. Now you understood why do people travel nowadays. Clear? Next we are going to see about the topic names of the land. Names of the land. So what it means? See children, we are all having our name to identify the person as easily. So like that way, on those times, that important names can identify the important lands. You know that before 2500 years ago, there is a name given to our country, especially the Bharat and also the Indus. Did you know why those names has given to our country? Because of the Indus river, they called as Indus in Sanskrit word. Then the Bharat, which is named as the version denoted about the people of our country. So, which was denoted in the Rig Veda. Have you understand, my dear children? Shall we go to the next topic? Yes, finding about the past. Finding about the past. Which is known about the past through some evidences. Through some evidences. For example, now we are going to see about the evidences regarding the written evidences. See the evidences which is in that written. Now as like nowadays newspaper, magazine like that. But on those days there is no newspaper. So how can the people can write their histories? How can know about that incidents? Shall we see about that? Yes. Children, look at this video. On those days, all the evidences has in the written form of records as like this manuscripts. What is the meaning of manuscripts? That is nothing but that Latin word which mean handwritten. See, this is the palm leaf. This is the palm leaf. This was used on those days to write their events, important events, especially about the king, about that chieftains, about that country, about the people also. See, these palm leaves which used on those days to mention about all the important evidences. These events which has written in the language of that Sanskrit, Prakrit and also Tamil. See here, these palm leaves can take over as bunch and which can tied with a rope and it was kept as a booklet because they want to safeguard everything. See this one, this manuscripts which was damaged by the insects, so that after the invention of the paper, they stopped the manuscripts which was written by their hands. Then they want to preserve these inscriptions as in the palmlet leaves. See, this is the booklet form of palm leaves which tied with a rope and which preserved as very safely. Listen, my dear children, apart from that palmlet leaves, this is a kind of a tree which is called birch, which grown in Himalayas. This Himalayan tree's barks are used to write the important evidences. See this box which is hanging on the tree, which is used to write the important events on those time. This bark of the tree are used for the important events and which is used as the waterproof, which cannot be damaged soon by the water. Apart from that manuscripts and also the birch bark tree, here we can see one inscription. So this inscription which denoted on the hardest portion, especially the stones or the metals, they inscribed everything important of the war, then how the king got the victory, then how the warrior war on those days and how they fought against the enemies and what are the important kings ascended their thrones. As like that they inscribed everything. See that this one which is inscribed on that rocks or stones. So this is also important inscription which is in the language of Sanskrit, Prakrit, and also the people used Tamil version also. Have you understand about these three topics, my dear children? Why do people travel nowadays? And names of the land, how we got that name of our country, and finding about the past. Have you understand? We will see you in that next class, my dear children. Thank you.